There are people out there, regular people, not tech geniuses, not marketing experts, who are waking up every morning, opening their laptop, and collecting money from YouTube channels that never show their face. Channels where the content is literally relaxing music and the AI-generated visuals playing on a loop while people sleep. And some of these channels are pulling in $9,000, $10,000, even $15,000 a month and more. Now, you can either look at that and think, this is completely crazy, there's no way this is actually happening, and scroll on with your life, or you can lean in and actually understand how this works and see if you could tap into this opportunity. I'm going to assume you're the second type of person because you're still watching, so let's get into it. And if you're wondering why you should listen to me, I'm Fred, and I've literally made thousands of dollars per day selling digital products through YouTube. The sleep niche on YouTube is one of the most underestimated opportunities I have ever come across. Think about what's happening every single night across the world. Hundreds of millions of people are lying in bed, stressed, anxious, their brains going 100 miles an hour, and they're picking up their phone and typing into YouTube rain sounds for sleeping, relaxing music for anxiety, bedtime stories, deep sleep meditation, every night like clockwork. And the people who had the foresight to build channels in this space before the crowd showed up, they're being rewarded for it in a massive way. The question is whether you're gonna be one of the people who builds something here, or one of the people who watches other people win and wonder why it's never you. Step 1. Picking your niche. And I know you heard me say sleep videos and you're thinking, okay, that's my niche. No, it's actually way too broad. That's like saying your niche is food. You need to be more specific. Are you doing sleep music for anxiety? Thunderstorm ambience for deep sleep? Binaural beats for focus and studying? Rain sounds with a fireplace in the background? The more specific your lane, the easier it becomes to rank on YouTube search, the easier it is to build an audience that actually subscribes and comes back, and the easier it becomes to become the go-to channel for that particular type of content. Think about it like this. If you open a restaurant that serves every type of cuisine on the planet, nobody knows who you are. And let's be honest, we all know what the quality is like for that kind of restaurant. But if you open a spot that does one thing incredibly well, people will drive across the city from it. Hell, people will come from other countries for your restaurant. Pick your corner, own it, and be relentless about it. Step 2, create your channel. This is where most people waste weeks of their life overthinking a name, a color palette, a font. Stop that, please. All you need to launch your channel is a name, logo, banner, and description. You can generate a logo with AI. You can write your description in 10 minutes. Your channel name should reflect the niche you just picked. Something clean, calm, and easy to remember. The channel that exists and start posting beats the channel that's still being designed in your head every time. Done is better than perfect. Launch it and refine it as you go. Step 3. Write your video scripts using Claude AI. Now, here's something most people don't think about. Sleep videos don't need a 10-minute monologue. Sometimes it's only a calm, relaxing audio. But you can need a short, intentional voiceover, maybe 60 to 90 seconds maximum, that sets the tone before your ambient audio and visuals take over for the next 8 hours. Again, it's not needed. Now, writing that, you don't even have to do it yourself. Go to Claude.ai, tell it your niche, describe the mood and atmosphere you're going for, peaceful, grounding, like you're melting into your bed, and ask it to write you a short sleep meditation intro or a calming narration. It will give you something professional in under a minute. You read it, you tweak it if you need to, and you move on. This is what leveraging AI actually looks like in practice. You're not replacing your creativity. You're multiplying your output. 1 hour of work becomes 10 pieces of content because you're using the right tools. On that note, I've recorded a free training that shows you exactly how we build Faceless AI YouTube channel businesses from scratch. The link for it is in the description below. You can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll put together a customized step-by-step game plan to get you monetized as fast as possible. Check it out when you finish this video. But keep in mind, we have very limited spots and they go fast. So if you're actually serious, don't sit on it. This is the best way to make money online in 2026. Step 4. Create your AI voiceover. Once your script is done, you need a voice to deliver it. And no, you don't need to record your own voice. You don't need a fancy mic or studio like I have. Not because there's anything wrong with your voice, but because you are building a faceless channel and the whole point is that it runs without you being the bottleneck. You can use 11 Labs. It's a paid tool, but the voice quality is genuinely impressive. It sounds human, it sounds warm, And it sounds like it belongs in a professional sleep meditation. If you want to keep it free while you're starting out, 11 Labs does have a free plan, but you can use Google AI Voice. Quen 3 TTS is another very solid option, and it's free for voiceovers, but really you don't need it because you're only going to be making, like I said, a short voice 30 to 60 seconds. And again, you don't have to have the voice, but let's assume we're going to use the voice. You want to pick a voice that matches the vibe of your channel. Relaxing, calm, soft. And then you paste your script in, you download the audio, done. It took literally 5 minutes. You didn't need a microphone, you didn't need to edit your own voice or have a professional recording setup, and you get a clean professional audio ready to go. Step 5, the thumbnail. And I love this method because it's so simple, it almost feels like cheating. Go on YouTube, find a channel in your niche that's already doing well, and look at their thumbnails. Find one that catches your eye. Then you can download it, upload it into ChatGPT, and tell it to write you an image generation prompt that would recreate a similar looking image. Then you take that prompt, you paste it into WhiskAI or Flow, and let it generate your thumbnail from scratch. What you end up with is a brand new, original image that captures the same energy as what's working in your niche, without copying anyone, without hiring a designer, without spending 3 hours in Canva. This is how you move fast. This is how you stay consistent without burning yourself out on stuff that doesn't move the needle. Step 6, music. Go to pixabay.com. It's free. It's got one of the best royalty-free music libraries on the internet. You'll find ambient sounds, soft piano, rain, white noise, lo-fi, natural ambience, all of it. Download what fits your content, drop it into your video, and you're protected from copyright strikes. You don't have to pay anybody licensing fees. There's no third party claiming your revenue. It's all for you. Just clean, free, professional sounding audio that makes your video feel like it belongs in the space. Step 7. Creating your AI visuals. This is the part that blows people's minds when they first see it. Go to sora.chatgpt.com. Use the Sora 1 model. It's free. Describe the kind of visuals you want. For example, a moonlit forest with a fog drifting through the trees, a rain-covered window with warm light glowing from inside, a slow-moving ocean at night under a sky full of stars. Sora generates it. You download the one you like. For sleep videos, you don't need cinematic sequences or complex editing. You need something beautiful and peaceful that someone can stare at while they drift off. Sora delivers that in minutes. This is genuinely one of those moments where you realize how unfair AI has made the playing field for people who know how to use it. Step 8. Editing. If you're starting from zero and you want to spend nothing, use CapCut. It's free. It's available on mobile and desktop, and it has everything you need to put together a professional sleep video. Voiceover sync, music layers, visual import, transitions, export in the right resolution. If you want more control and you're ready to invest in your business, Adobe Premiere Pro gives you a more professional workflow and more advanced tools. But the thing you need to understand is that the tool doesn't make the business. Consistency does. One video a day, edited in CapCut, posted every single day, will outperform someone with Premiere Pro or the best softwares who posts only when they feel inspired. So feel inspired to be consistent. Now, I highly recommend you edit from a computer, not using your phone. The screen of a phone is much smaller than a computer, and not being able to use a mouse means your editing is less precise. Now, to be fair, these kinds of sleep videos are so easy to edit that it's perfectly fine if you use your phone. But in general, video editing is much quicker and much more comfortable on a computer. Now let's talk about the mistake that is quietly killing most creators in this space. And I say quietly because they don't even realize it's happening. They build their channel, they grind, they hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. They finally get monetized, AdSense starts paying them a few $100s a month. And then they think, this is it, this is the business. Maybe they make a couple $1,000s a month, but they spend the next year waiting for their AdSense to grow while wondering why they're making $200, maybe $300 a month. If they're lucky, a few $1,000s a month. Here's the hard truth. AdSense is not a starting point. It's a destination. It's one gear in the machine. The channels making real money, the ones pulling in $8, $9, $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, they're not relying only on AdSense. They're getting sponsorships. They're selling their own products, like a sleep meditation course, a relaxation guide, a bundle of sleep affirmations. Or they're doing affiliate marketing, promoting sleep supplements, meditation apps, weighted blankets, blue light glasses, and earning a commission every time someone buys through their link. The audience you're building has a very specific, very real problem. They can't sleep, they're anxious, they're stressed, That is a hungry audience, and a hungry audience will always buy solutions. You just have to have something to sell them. Take the AdSense money, of course you take it, but build layers of income on top of it. Sell your own products, do affiliate marketing, get sponsorships. This is where you make the real bucks. Let me show you the full picture one more time so it's locked in. You pick a specific niche inside the sleep space. You launch your channel without overthinking it. Launch it today. You can use Claude AI to write your scripts in minutes. You generate a professional voiceover with 11 Labs or a free alternative, or skip that step altogether. You create your thumbnail using ChatGPT and Whisk AI. You get the royalty-free music from Pixabay. You generate your visuals using Sora for free. You edit in CapCut or Premiere Pro. And you build your income with AdSense plus digital products, plus sponsorship, plus affiliate marketing. Everything I just described, you can start on today. So don't watch 17 more YouTube videos about it. Take action today. The real reason most people never succeed in life or business is because they don't take enough action. Or if they do, they give up within a week or within a couple days. And I know for a fact, most people watching this are not gonna do anything. But for some people, you're actually gonna move. You're gonna close this video and start. And 6 months from now, you will be in a completely different position because you chose to act when most people chose to scroll. If you're one of those people, I want to help you move faster. I've recorded a free training that walks you through exactly how we build these faceless AI YouTube businesses from the ground up. The link is in the description below. You can also apply to book a free call with me or someone on my team, and we'll build you a customized game plan to get you monetized as fast as humanly possible. But I'm gonna say this again, spots are extremely limited and get taken quickly. So go check that out right now. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.